What's up, YouTube? It's Apple Juice Arsenal, and today I'm reviewing. This isn't really a knife review. It's more of another novelty review. I guess you could say, because it's not a knife, but you know, whatever. Today I'm reviewing the high quality metal Switchblade comb. This is awesome. This is my new comb, by the way. Now, I got this on eBay for $8. Cheapest you can get it is like $2. I mean, like $3 or $4. But if I did that, it would come in like December. But so yeah, I just ordered it like last week. It's pretty cool, and it has a nice kick to it. It's blue, which is awesome. It has a pocket clip. Same like that. I've seen this pocket clip everywhere. It's just the normal cliche design. It has a locking mechanism. That's super good. And it has more kick than my actual stiletto. Which, let me get that right now, so I can actually compare the size. Okay. Here's my stiletto. Let me close this. Now they are both the same size, closed and opened. This one is quieter and has a more snappy feel to it, and a better spring. I like to comb my hair with this because it's metal comb. You're supposed to do that. And yeah, the button is weirdly oddly placed right there. Not like right here. What the hell? Never mind. Alright, yeah. Like it. I recommend it if you don't have a comb and you want one. Alright. So yeah. I'll see you in the next video, and bye.